My name is Satyanarayan. I am from India. I am the founder of Own Passive company. I am proud to be the founder. I thank all those who are watching me. I am grateful from the bottom of my heart. I would also like to thank Mr. CEO S. Mufaria, Red Reference Sir, Marty Gamo, and Chris Johnson Sir. Journey to On Passive 17 December 2021. About On Passive AI technology started, I was told by my patron Harindrapal Singh, who was also founder of On Passive. He will die of heart attack 6 months before his journey to this world. The most common forms of business are the sole partnership, corporation, and S corporation. MLM business, two reasons it's do or die. ML business. If we talk about on passive, there is nothing in it that fills one's heart and mind. The idea that you bring money and become rich overnight. Many people have this weakness that only money matters if not yourself. If you can support someone, do not speak good or bad to anyone. Bad people have a habit that on basis is fake, it is scam. You should say that those who are misleading people by creating fake accounts on YouTube are not scams or fake scammers. We all should all stand with our passive company because we should always think positive. My faith in on passive. On passive was such that when the company used do the fountain view or screen view Burj Khalifa, I never missed every show it Burj Khalifa to watch any Zoom meeting Mr. Ash Mufara because I slowly was looking in a new direction. Life successful whenever there is meeting of Mr. S. Mufara. I could not live without tending whether get bread or not. What I like see Mr. S meeting every day. I am very happy whenever I see Ash in any show because my heart get peace watching Mr. Ash Mufare. No one has seen a noble or honest person like Ash. I have seen that while working very hard in life, I did not get any achievement or value of hard work because I have to struggle to make a life. Everyone wants my life to be luxury. My father died when I was 8 years old after my father's death. I only knew how hard my mother raised me. I have reached this point by the grace of God by working daily because we have to work hard to make life easy. I am saying that God has written half of his life and sent half of his life. He has to make it himself a child it born. Does not start walking by himself if his parents do not raise him well. Why is there any completion here? I am telling a positive thing. The one who died is a human being. He who lives is a human being. He has born, he failed, he is also a human being. One built is a ship, one is flying that ship, one is drifting in it. Then why do you say I can do anything? I cannot praise you, Mr. Ashwara, sir, because we will not find honest, admirable, loyal, responsible person like you in the whole world. I love you, Ash. I love you, Ash. I love you, Ash Mufara. We are going to Mr. Sign with the arrival of phone passive. We have been shining like the sun that would have dried up the water. Then what we will do is wind the world is imagination. We are all founders with the coming of our passive. Those moments of life will be so good that today we are seeing these slow later everywhere because we of our passive along with Mr. Ashmufara are going to create the history with which will be written on every page of the world. I am deeply grateful to CEO Mr. Ash Mufare and I have a lot of respect for Kushminder Dillon sir. Those who give us the education on passive teach us to keep love with everyone. We should always keep a positive mind. Thank you to all the leader of technical teams. I love you on passive. Thank you for bringing our passive happiness to us soon. Thank you bringing our passive happening to us soon. I love on passive. I love on passive. Thank you.